YouTube family? It's me, Haswaa.
And me, Uswa.
We're Haswaa, and you're watching our YouTube channel. And you're probably wondering, Haswaa, why are you so enthusiastic?
Why are you screaming like this? Well, it's because today we're filming this video as if our channel was made in the early 2000s, and everybody in the early 2000s was very energetic,
very enthusiastic,
yelling all the time.
YouTube family!
Like, why are we doing this? I don't know, but we thought this would be a very fun concept.
We have like 3 parts to this video. The first one is like a morning routine.
Yeah.
Then it's like a DIY. We did mad DIYs like in the early 2000s of YouTube, and then it's a lookbook. And the way they did lookbooks back then was just a whole film. It was just a whole film. So we took a lot of inspiration from Maya Maples, May Baby, Laura DIY, RCL Beauty 101, and
My Life is Ava.
And My Life is Ava. So let's get started! Do you just not have a place for your Kmart pins? I have the best DIY for you. You'd need a jewelry box, hot glue sticks, felt sheets, scissors, be careful, and of course, a hot glue gun. So first you want to separate your jewelry box from top to bottom and just measure out the sheets so it fits perfectly. And don't worry if you have extra fabric, because you'll always be able to cut it off and fold it inside the box. Now get your handy dandy hot glue gun and glue the sheet to the top. As you can see, I'm folding the inside of the fabric in the box and just cutting off the extra excess. Make sure not to burn yourself. Now you want to do the exact thing to the bottom. Was that magic? Look how fancy that looks. Now just slap in your Kmart pins, slap that top on, and you're done. Well, if you're boring. But if you want to add some extra pizzazz, you can do whatever you want. Letters, I use pom-poms. And you'll see a little cute face that I created with these pom-poms. Just do different things. Go crazy. Of course, I had to add the extra eyebrows. And there you have it. The best Kmart pin box. The thing you never knew you needed. And you can stick the Kmart pins on top. That's why we use felt. So your favorite ones can stay at the top, and the ones that are extra, just put them inside. Hope you guys had fun making this one.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had a lot of fun making it and putting it together.
It was very nostalgic.
Very nostalgic.
Rewatching old YouTube videos.
Yep.
It was amazing.
It was like we took a time machine and went to the past. The high saturation, fake waking up and putting a camera there, and fake brushing your teeth and going to the park and having a whole movie lookbook.
Whole filmography.
It was a lot.
That's a word.
I think it is.
The lookbook. Like, why did we make movies? Whole movies
know.
for a lookbook.
I don't know.
It's amazing. And
overall,
random DIYs.
Yeah, random DIYs that make no sense. The box that we made, unnecessary. Unnecessary. There was no point.
But it was DIY.
But it was DIY. You had to do it for the YouTubes. Because we're YouTubies. So please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
And ring that post notification bell.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. And we'll see you guys in the next one. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Ah! Ring, ring, ring that post notification bell.